Back again with another video for you. Today we have lot 29 on Deer Crest Trail in Cottonwood. As you can see by the aerial images here, this is a view lot. There's a level building site up on top. There's a path to drive up there and get to it. Lots of trees, oak trees. I think they're valley oaks. This is a view of Mount Lassen to the east. Very spectacular. It's also in a gated community. There's a gate here with a gate code needed to access it. And the community is Rolling Oaks Estates. There's some CCRs to protect your investment. That's $300 per year. Not bad. This is me starting to walk up the path that leads to that level build site with the views to the east and southeast. This really is an incredible opportunity to own a large acreage view lot in this Rolling Oaks Estates community. So build your own dream home or vacation getaway with the mountain views from your living room or your deck, however you want to design it. And at the top you've got those Mount Lassen views and other mountain views, which you'll see here in a few minutes. The trees here, valley oaks, there's quite a few as we go further up here and then down to the right, I believe. They're nice to add a little privacy factor, and you're up high, so it's more privacy there as well. Power's at the road. You just need your building plans, a well, a septic. Some of the major attractions nearby are the Sacramento River. There's golfing, biking, hiking trails. Mount Shasta, lots to do there. Same as Mount Lassen. It's a volcanic national park. You can do skiing in the winter. You can hike to the top of the mountain. Not too difficult. There's fishing all over the North State here. And if you want to, go somewhere, the access to I-5 is super easy. This is lower elevation as well, so you don't have to worry about the snow, freezing weather, that kind of stuff. Here I am almost at the top. You can see the views off there. I'm using a wide-angle GoPro, so the views look far away, but they're actually, it looks a lot more stunning in person because you're not using that wide-angle view, which makes far away look even further away. So it is nice to view it in person if you can. It's, like I said, easy to get there from I-5, but you will need a realtor to show it to you because of the gate code. Can't give that out. There's the level ridge top. Take a few shrubs out. And that looks like you could just, develop it. Depending on what size home, there is a minimum square footage size, I'm sure. I think it's 1,800 square feet, but I'd have to look at the CCRs to be exact on that. These oak trees are losing their leaves in the fall here, so changing colors. It's really, really pretty. That's basically a view to the south. And then panoramic there. And it keeps going straight ahead there. I go a little further and then stop. So yeah, owner financing though is not available, so you'll need cash or a bank loan. And I try to show you the GPS where we're at, and the property is in red. We are the blue triangle, and this blue line wherever I walked. You can kind of see it. Lots of glare. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this type of property, let me know. Leave a comment what you think. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day.